Hi, my name is Emil, and I've made this video to answer the question, what is crypto? Now I'll be answering a couple of questions like, what is cryptocurrency? How does cryptocurrency work? Is crypto real money? And how do you make money with crypto? In the description below, you can easily jump to the section of this video that is most relevant to you. Let's start by looking at what cryptocurrency is in relation to traditional currency. You can use this video more or less as a cryptocurrency guide. So, what is cryptocurrency? Crypto is an entirely digital currency that is securely transacted from peer to peer in a decentralized manner. So the value of crypto is decided by those who buy and sell it and not by the government or financial institution. Put simply, crypto is a digital currency that exists entirely online. Unlike traditional currency, such as dollars or euros, it isn't linked to a bank or government that controls its value. Instead, the value is set by supply and demand, and all crypto transactions are stored on a network called the blockchain, which I will explain in more detail in another video. Before you begin investing in crypto for the first time, you would need a basic understanding of the blockchain. This is the public ledger that records and allows you to verify all cryptocurrency transactions without allowing them to be edited. This is especially important because it allows all transactions to be verified, meaning that the blockchain ecosystem and its prices are completely transparent. One of the best analogies I've heard is to think of it as an online Word document and to think of banks as an offline Word document. The online version offers you all of its users access to it at the same time, allowing edits and changes to be made in real time and be seen by everyone immediately. Whereas the offline document would have to be edited, saved, and then distributed before anyone else could see the changes. Blockchain works the same way. Instead of it being a shared document, it's a shared ledger that all involved parties have access to, and whatever changes within it has to be verified by everyone in that network. If you'd like to learn more about blockchain, I'll explain it all in detail in another video. Click on the I to check it out. When it's time to buy crypto, the more pragmatic investor may require some assistance at first. In this regard, you might consider applying to one of the many crypto services available on the market today, such as Anycoin Direct. Online brokers give users the tools and insights that they need to start understanding cryptocurrency. They also offer you easy ways to store your coins, often with a wallet or vault built into the platform. This option makes it very easy for you to buy and sell quickly and is available to you whenever you are online. Alternatively, you could use cold storage wallets, which are hardware wallets. These physical devices, like a flash drive, store the password that give you access to your coins. Cold storage is considered more secure against potential hackers. There's plenty to consider when choosing which option works for you. If you'd like to know more about crypto wallets and ledgers, please click on the iCard to watch a video in which I go into more detail about them. I hope this answers the question, how does crypto work? Now, crypto may not be tangible, but even though you cannot hold it in your hands, it does exist. The moment you start with buying crypto, it is possible to convert it into euros at any moment you choose. And people are developing applications that run on the blockchain 24/7. It may be volatile, but the potential for huge returns and risks is there. One only needs to look at the value over time to understand that this is a long-term investment. Now, major currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have seen massive growth throughout their lifespan. And even though there have been times when the value has dropped, overall, there's been fairly consistent growth over the years. Now, Ethereum was initially launched at $0.31, while Bitcoin initially went on the market at $0.0008, and they have both grown to be some of the most popular coins to invest in. In the same way the stock market works, the price is determined by very simple economics: supply and demand. So the value of a coin is linked to how much of that crypto is available and how many people are trying to purchase that coin. But it's also important to remember that while interest in a coin may drive the prices up, if everyone starts selling that coin, the prices will drop. Now, crypto can be a volatile investment, meaning that its value can change quickly and often. So managing your risk and knowing how much you can afford to invest is important. Today, there are plenty of trading platforms out there for cryptocurrency beginners. each offering easy access to the world of cryptocurrency. And while there are similarities among them, they're not all equal. Anycoin Direct offers you an opportunity to start trading or investing in crypto with minimal fuss. From their news and blogs on the market to their academy, they want to make sure that you understand exactly how cryptocurrency works. Click on the iCard and find a link to their latest promotion to get you started. Once you start, you can set up an Anycoin vault to store your coins, or you can use an external wallet. This gives you access to your coins on the platform and makes it easier to purchase and store them. They also give you the option of swapping coins against each other in the vault, and this means you don't have to pay the blockchain transaction fee. Their customer service team, which is made up of real people, are there to help you navigate any questions you may have. And finally, there's a wealth of resources online that form a complete cryptocurrency guide to help even novice traders answer the question, what is crypto? If you want to know more about other topics regarding crypto, check out our other videos here, or subscribe to the Anycoin YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.